Let me walk you through exactly what a typical session looks like from start to finish so you can run it with confidence. Arrive 30 minutes early, set up the tables, test the video and sound, put workbooks or pens out if needed, and get the coffee going. Your table leaders should arrive 15 minutes early. Use that time for a quick huddle, 60 seconds on what tonight's video covers, what the main exercises are, and anything to watch out for. That's it. Just keep the huddle short. As participants arrive, welcome them. The first couple of weeks, make sure everyone knows which table to sit at. After that, they'll naturally find their groups. Also, start on time. Respect people's schedules. A brief welcome from you, 30 seconds, literally just welcome back tonight. We're covering this topic. Let's roll into the video and then play the video. During the video, your job is to watch the room, not the screen. You've already seen the content. Look for their reactions. Are people engaged? Is anyone confused? Is someone having an emotional moment? These observations help you and the table leaders during the exercise portion. When the video ends, give a brief transition, something like, all right, great content tonight. Table leaders, take it from here. You've got about 45 minutes for the exercises. I'll call time when we need to wrap up. Then step back. The table leaders run the exercise portion. You'll float between tables, answer logistical questions, and keep an eye on the time. The exercise portion is typically 45 minutes to maybe an hour. Table leaders walk their groups through each exercise in the workbook for that week. Some exercises are individual, fill in your numbers, calculate your costs. Some are group discussion. Share your plan, role play a phone call, talk through options. Table leaders should aim to get through all the exercises, but not rush. Depth matters more than completion. If a table doesn't finish, participants can complete the remaining exercises at home. At the end, bring the room back together for a 2-minute closing. Recap the homework, what they need to do before next week. This is in the workbook, but say it out loud. Remind them that doing the homework is what makes this program work. Thank everyone for coming, and then just let them go. A few session-specific notes. Week 1 is emotionally heavy. The pain ledger exercise can bring tears. Make sure your table leaders are prepared for that. Have tissues available if need be. Week 8 is the densest session. It's split into 2 halves with a table activity break in the middle. Plan for that session to run a little longer. Week 10 is a celebration. Consider bringing something a little extra. Maybe a nicer snack spread or small certificates of completion. It's their graduation. If the participant is clearly in crisis, not just stressed out about money, but in genuine distress, your table leader should quietly check in with them during a break. Have the 211 number and the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline number available. Know your local resources. This doesn't happen often, but being prepared matters.